Good afternoon, everybody. Ma Terry here, and I just thought I'd show you my little Walmart haul. Yeah, I got some great things for camping and some food that you might want to experiment with for camping, for ease of camping. So let me show you what I bought. All right, now, I told you I was going to buy this. This is the 2-in-1 butane griddle. Now, it's going to replace my other griddle because I'll have a lot more surface area to cook. And that was $36, I believe. Yep. And my foldable, collapsible griddle press, nice. That was $20. All right. I needed to restock up on water. I got me my onion powder and garlic powder went bad, so $1.28 each. I thought this would be festive. Some Southwest corn with poblano peppers and red bell peppers. I believe $1.38. Now, this soup looked like fun. It is chicken-flavored seashell pasta soup mix. May make life a little more exciting. 88 cents. And these are on sale. They have a whole bunch of different ones of these on sale right now. Different flavors. They're $1 a piece for 2.5 ounces. And I've never had the teriyaki before, but that looks like a good sandwich, no? And I've been dying to try this. Now, it says pulled pork in barbecue sauce. This is $1.50. It's one serving, 11 grams protein, 2.6 ounces. But, you know, pork, water, sugar, of course. But I just wanted to try a pulled pork sourdough sandwich. Next, I thought was really interesting was this. It's cacio e pepe, cheese and black pepper, 4 minutes. Looks real easy to do, and it has 8 grams of protein per serving. There's 3 servings in this package, and I believe it was about $3 for that. Next, on the clearance aisle, what did I get on clearance? Big Mama pickled sausage. It's 170 calories for $1, so I thought I'd give that a try. And sometimes I do have a sweet tooth. This is Wiley Wallabies. Now, I've often said, why don't they make these smaller? You know, they're too big to chew. So these are the minis, and it was $1 for how many? 3.5 ounces. So that's a good buy. And last but not least, I found these fruit cup snacks. So, you know, in case I do have a sweet tooth and I don't run to the sugars, 12 cups for $6. That was in the clearance section. So sometimes the clearance section really pays off, doesn't it? Anyhow, these are all great, easy to eat for camping, and I can't wait to test out my new butane stove with the griddle on top for 36 bucks. Anyhow, wait, Miss Lucy might want to say hello. Miss Lucy, are you ready for our next stop? There's a cuddle from everybody for you, huh? Oh, she's having such a good day. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and no sun. I bet you I'm not getting any solar. Anyhow, Lucy, what do we say? We say we will see you down the road. Bye, everyone.